Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C30i. And basically we have a few options how to check serial number. The first one is to use a box, and at the top of the box we have SN, what means serial number, so you can check it here. The second option is to use a case, and right here maybe you can't see it, but right here we have also serial number, so you can check it at the charging case. And the third option is to use an application. Open it, and if you add your earbuds, you can check it. Scroll down, and right here in the last line we have serial number, and you can also copy it by click on it. Yeah, and as you can see, I just copy. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!